Hello friends, I welcome back all of you in my second video. In this video the topic is how we can transfer the files, games, song and movies from laptop to mobile. In some cases we are from out of our home, such as in college, meetings and with friends, and suddenly we need to transfer the data between laptop and mobile, and we got stuck because at that place we do not carry USB cable and Android cable along with us for this purpose. So what to have to do now is the best way is to share it. What is share it? Share it is a third-party software which is used to transfer the files between the devices of the different platforms, even in between the Apple and Android, Windows and iOS using LAN cable. If you had never seen this video, the link is in the description and on the top of the screen in the I button. Please go ahead and check out this one also. So let's get started. First of all, we need to install the shareit on our laptop and on mobile as well. So for the purpose to install on the laptop, open your web browser, any web browser you have, and type here download shareit for laptop and hit enter. There will be listed a lot of the links which will be providing you the software, but always try to download it from the official site. What is the official site? Here is the link for the official site, which is from the shareit official site. We click it here. In the next screen you will see that option or download exe file. Click it here. In the next screen it will listed all of its available. Its all file will be listed. If you are for the looking for the iOS, then you have to click this file, and if you are Windows user, then your file is exe file, and for the Mac user this file is here .dmg. So in my case I'm using Windows laptop, so I will click it here. The setup will begin install, and it has been installed. So we just have to click it here and click on the run button. The setup will run. Click yes and installation will begin. It's a very simple, just click and click and click, and it will install on your system. In the next, click it here and installation is begin. After installation has been completed, you will see a icon on the screen. The first task has been completed. We install the shareit on our laptop, and the second phase we have to install the shareit on our Android mobile. So let us on the Android mobile and install it there as well. I'm on Android mobile, and here you have to open your Google Play Store and type here shareit. You will see a long list of applications with the same name and same icon, but be sure always you have to install the which is from the Media Technologies for you. It's the official supplier of this app, and other apps may contain some malware and viruses that can harm your device. So click on the install button, and application will begin install. It will take some time depending on internet speed. So till it get download and install, hold and wait. I will be met you on the other side of this process. Shareit has installed on my mobile phone. As you can see, the next step is little bit tricky, because in the next step you have to do two things. First, you have to bring both of your devices on the same Wi-Fi network and then make connection between devices. If you are at home, it could be your home Wi-Fi, but if you are out of your home, you have to open the shareit on laptop, and you will see the hotspot network on it, and you have to search this network from your mobile phone and connect and enter the password. If you will scan the code without connecting both devices on the same network with the same network, it will give an error and say go back and first connect the both devices with each other. Okay, in my case I have connect the hotspot network from my PC, and Okay, no, my mobile and laptop are on the same network. You have to make some changes for the first time use. And now when the both devices are on the same network, you have to click this icon and choose the option connect to PC. And this time when you will use the app on the first time, you have to scan the QR code from your mobile to laptop screen. For make visible the QR code on your laptop, you have to click on this option and QR code will be visible to you, and scan this code from your mobile phone. Click any of the option for connection mode and get start. Now you will see the both devices are now ready for transmission of data and files. But if this method doesn't work for you, I tell you another method which will definitely work for you. Open the top corner icon which you opened before and choose the connect to PC, and this time your mobile will search for your PC and you will see your PC will automatically appear here. Click on this and your mobile will be connected to PC for share the files. Okay, now I have a PUBG mobile game in my mobile which I want to send to my PC. Just drag the file you want to send to the send window and you will see the transmission will begin. It will take some time depending on the size of the file, but it is very fast. Okay, you can see the file has sent, and now I will click on the button to install and click on the install button. It is installing. Now on your front you can see everything is clear, and now I can open the PUBG mobile which was sent by my PC. You can use shareit for transfer a lot of file formats, and it definitely work almost for every format. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Not only subscribe, press the bell button. You will notify about my 2 upcoming amazing videos in my I'm going to teach you the amazing tips, tricks and hack of WhatsApp and Instagram. That's all for now. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.